everyone, welcome back to here Standard 3 looking around environmental study, and we are doing chapter 24 of your textbook. Chapter name is Web of Life. What is the meaning of web? Web means jal and life means jivan. So the meaning of web of life means jivan jal. So that means students, in the earth, everything is connected with each other. Animals, plants, birds, even the sky, moon, planet, human beings, everything is connected with each other. So, in this story, in this chapter, we are going to take the knowledge about it. Web of life. Jeevan ka jal. You can see on this picture, here is a web. Here is a web means jal. So you can see squirrel, snake, planet, birds, moon, cow, rat, soul, house, air, grass, sun and water. All this thing is connected with each other. Some animals want to eat some animals. They survive like this. Some animals and some other birds eat worms and insects. Some people, human beings, eat animals. With the source of all this, with the take of all these webs, we are live here. So web of life, Jal Jeevan ka. On this earth, everything is connected with each other. In this chapter, writer is trying to explain us. By now, we must have read almost the complete book. You have read about tree, water, houses, animals, vehicles and many other things. You must have thought about them as well. Can you tell why did we try to know and think about all these things? So students, our life depends on all of these things. All these things are useful to us in one way or other way. For example, plants or tree, sun, water, animals, house, vehicles and many other things. So we have tried to know and think about all these things because we are depend on everything is depend on each and everything. How are we linked to the thing shown in the picture? Come, let us find out. Now join your pictures with lines to all things which you feel are needed for you to live a life. Which things we are thinking that it is the necessary things to us? Which things is necessary for you? Water, air, food, sun, moon and house, whatever you want, you think it's necessary for us, that you have to make a line. Have you joined your picture to the house? Let us see with what other things can we join the house to. Think, what is a house made of? So yes, I joined my picture to the house because a house is the basically need for everything. Because the house is basically need for everything. We need house for survive our life. Next one, we can join the house to wood and plants, bricks and muds and water, because with this our house is made of. So we have to join the house to wood or plant, bricks, muds, ground and water. Then after, next, a house is made of wood, bricks, clay, cement, water. With this, all these things which come from the tree, which are made from the water and clay, which get from the soil, and we get it from river, pond, well or rain. For all these things our house is made of. It must be clear to you with which pictures or words you need to join the house. Yes, it must be clear now to how to join with your house, because from which things your house is made of wood, bricks, clay and water. In the same way, join all the things with other things related to them. Think about all the things and join with all the pictures with the related things. While doing so, you might need to write the name of the few more things, that you have to write a few more things name also. You can see the first question, what have you finally got? A big web is or not? Yes, I have finally got a big web. Big web means एक बड़ा सा जाल. For what? For how? With the related all the things. सब रिलेटेड एक दूसरे से है, इसलिए हम लोगों ने क्या बनाया, क्या पाया, एक बड़ा सा जाल पाया कि सब चीज़ जो दुनिया में है, इवन द ह्यूमन बीइंग्स, एनिमल्स एंड एवरीथिंग्स रिलेटेड विथ ईच अदर. सो हमने एक बड़ा सा वेब, बड़ा सा एक जाल पाया. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what can you understand from this web? From this web, I understand that there are many things that I need to live a comfortable, healthy and happy life. There is a many things that I have to live for, that we have need to live a comfortable, healthy and a happy life. We need all these things. Think and write what things will be needed to make a cot. Wood, which come from the tree, nail, which come from the iron, cotton drop, which come from the cotton, and core, which come from the coconut fibers. Okay, these things we need for made a cot. Think and write what other things could be used in the place of cot. In the place of cot, what other things you can use? So bed, couch, divan, etc. thing we can use in the place of cot. Cot की जगह में हम लोग बेड, couch और दीवान यूज कर सकते हैं अपने कंफर्टेबल के अनुसार. So there is a one question, human being need for survive, what they need. The basic thing is what? So human needs air, water and food for survive, but each and everything is related with each other. So that's why this chapter name is web of life. जाल है एक लाइफ का जो सब एक दूसरे से रिलेटेड है, पर ह्यूमन का नेसेसरी जो चीज़ क्या है, सर्वाइव करने के लिए नेसेसरी नीड क्या है, एयर, वाटर एंड फूड. ओके, सो हियर आवर this chapter also completed. Hope you all understood this web of life chapter. So I'm going to end my video. If you have any question, you can ask me. Bye bye and take care.